friends, and welcome to Eating Richly. I'm Diana Johnson, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to cook salmon and asparagus together in foil packets right in your oven. This is truly a family favorite in our house. I call them salmon asparagus foil packets, but the kids actually call them salmon asparagus foil presents. We all love salmon. The kids love that they each get their own present to open, and I love that I can get a complete dinner on the table very easily in less than 30 minutes. And that's start to finish, including prep and cooking. Now, if you haven't tried cooking salmon in a foil packet, you've been missing out on one of the easiest ways to get flavorful salmon that is never dry. And this recipe bakes salmon, asparagus, and lemon together for a complete dinner in a packet. Also, this only applies to me, not the rest of the family, but it's 0 Weight Watchers Freestyle Points. When asparagus is in season, we have this for dinner at least every other week. And if you love salmon, you can also check out our lemon pepper salmon video, which is another easy way to get flavorful salmon. On the other hand, if you love asparagus, make sure to click like, then subscribe and hit that bell because we've got an easy pan-fried asparagus recipe coming up that you don't want to miss. And even if you don't like asparagus, you should still like this video and subscribe, please, because it helps YouTube know that we produce quality content that people want to watch. Now let's get cooking, because whether you're cooking with someone, or for yourself, cooking time is connecting time. You're gonna start by preheating your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Next up is trimming a pound of asparagus. Grab the end and the middle and bend till it snaps, but don't throw those ends away. Make sure to save your asparagus ends for our food waste reducing asparagus end soup. I've got a link to the video here and in the description below. Now you need 4 4-ounce salmon fillets. I always get a giant salmon fillet from somewhere like Costco. I'll cut it in half, make one half into 4-ounce fillets, and then freeze the other half to use later. Sprinkle each salmon fillet with garlic powder, then salt and pepper. Then get 4 squares of aluminum foil and place a seasoned salmon fillet into the center of each one. Top the salmon with 4 to 5 asparagus spears. Basically, just use 1/4 of your bunch of asparagus. And then squeeze a little fresh lemon juice over the top. Sprinkle the asparagus with a little bit of salt because they need seasoning too. Then top it off with a lemon slice. Fold your foil up, making sure all the edges get closed and sealed and that the seam is on the top. Place your foil packets on a baking sheet. This is just for convenience to get them in and out of the oven. Then bake the salmon for 12 to 15 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have super thick salmon fillets, you're gonna want to go to the longer time, like 15 minutes. If they're wide and thin, you probably don't want to go past 10 minutes. Now be really careful opening the foil packets because they are filled with steam. I open the kids' packets for them, then just kind of fold them over for the kids to open themselves. And there you have it, a beautiful, simple salmon and asparagus dinner. Of course, you can totally change up this recipe when you make it. We keep the seasoning simple, but that doesn't mean that you have to. Maybe try some Cajun seasoning or fresh chopped garlic and dill with a pat of butter. The great thing about recipes is that they're just guidelines that you can adjust to your preferences and what you have on hand. Don't forget, like this video and then let me know in the comments what kind of video you'd like to see coming up. More recipes, hot food trends, information on specific foods and ingredients, or ways to reduce food waste? I'm here to help you. and I really do want to know. And remember, whether it's in the comments with me or out in the world, you can be real and be kind. And I'll see you in my next video. Oh, it's better cooked. It's not bad. Kind of like eating grass. You should cook it first.